Garmin dashcams. I have here two models, dashcam 57, dashcam Mini 2. 57 model I have already installed into my car. Obviously now it's here, it's very easy to take off, it's with the magnet. Dashcam Mini 2, I bought it some weeks ago for our Spain trip. We had a rental car and I wanted to have a small dashcam. We drove about 2,500 kilometers and this camera was working with no problems. If you want to see more footage of this trip, link is in the description. 1440p, 1080p. I was surprised how good this video quality is coming out of this small camera. I want to test these together. I want to compare how much better is 1440p compared to 1080p, or is there even a big difference? One main problem in our trip to Spain was the reflection of the dashboard in the window when the sun was in front of us. And of course this reflection is also coming to this video. That's why I ordered these. These are Garmin Originals polarized filters. These should fit to both of these cameras. This should reduce the reflection. This should maybe give more contrast to this video. One thing what I'm a little bit worried about, is this going to make more noise? Is this going to affect to this video quality? Because usually these polarized filters let less light into the sensor. And this is something I also want to test. I can kind of demonstrate a little bit how this kind of filter works. This is for my digital camera. This is a circular polarized filter. That's a hard word. With this one, for example, direction is important. Now it's a wrong way. If I will turn it, it will change this white balance, little bit warm, cold, but not much effect. If I will turn it right way like it should be, so that's about how this kind of polarized filter works. Here we have this Garmin filter. This filter, it doesn't matter if it's this way or this way. When I will turn it, it should give the same kind of effect. And that's kind of a very cool effect. Both of these cameras came with the cigarette lighter USB adapter with two plugs, which is very good, so I can use the same adapter for both cameras. This one doesn't have screen, so I have to do adjustments with my phone. Now I finally got this Mini 2 here. To this other one was some software update going on. And now I can adjust this one. I will also put it a little bit higher, that we won't get this dashboard. This I don't need. Now I have live view also available for both of these devices. Or not. Sometimes it's working, no problems. No, okay, it crashed. That's nice. failed. Okay, how about this 57? Connecting to feed. Connecting to feed. A 57 model. Let's see this Mini 2. So both are now connected, and that's pretty cool feature. Every time it works. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Good. This footage is from our Spain trip, and here you can see the reflection of the dashboard in the window, and you can also see how it's changing when the location of the sun is changing. This footage is dashcam 57 without any filters, and it's pretty much the worst case situation. Here you can see that these filters won't do much for the reflection when the sun is shining from the front. I would say that these filters add a little bit more contrast, and I think this sky is a little bit more blue and colors are kind of popping up a little bit more. And how is this audio between these two? That's also a question. Which one is better? Sound test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sound test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Which one is better? Which one is better? I love these small roads. These are so nice. Well, this noise, it's a little bit difficult to prove, But I noticed something else. I have here two screenshots, same place, different day, but about the same weather, cloudy weather. One big difference what I noticed is this reflection here. This is without filter, with filter, without, with. And also with filter, this contrast, it's much better, kind of. Of course, this is not scientific proof of anything, but that's something that I noticed. I think I will leave this filter on.